Did you know that you can forward your dear and important messages to a special folder on Viber? You no longer have to search for them in chats because they will be in one place. Here's how. Open the Viber app on your phone. Let me introduce you to My Notes, where you can forward messages from chats and access them whenever you want. Let's take a step back. Open the chat with the message you want to forward to My Notes. Messages don't have to be textual. You can also forward photos and videos. Long press on the desired message. In the window, click on Forward. If needed, you can select multiple messages. This time, I'll choose just one. Then click on the arrow at the bottom of the screen. Select My Notes and press the arrow in the bottom right corner. And here's the message. Along with the content, you can see the name of the contact where the message is located. Now I'll forward a photo. I'll show you another way. Long press on the photo. In the window, press Share. And finally, click on My Notes. The photo has been successfully moved. If you want to move multiple messages at once, click on the three dots in the top right corner. In the window, press Select Messages. Then click on the messages you want to select. Finally, press the arrow in the bottom right corner. Select My Notes and forward them by clicking the arrow here. And that's all you need to know about saving messages to My Notes. Useful, isn't it? Follow us for more digital tips and tricks.